Installing a drive backplane, carrier assembly, and drive backplane. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Install the backplane into the carrier and secure it with 2 screws. To install the drive backplane carrier assembly, align the bottom of the carrier with the slots in the server. Push the top of the carrier until it clicks into place. Connect the power and signal cables to all the backplanes. Reinstall all the 2.5-inch hot swap drives and drive fillers. Reinstall the fan cage and all the fans. Reinstall the front air baffle. If necessary, reconnect the M.2 backplane cables. If necessary, reconnect the RAID flash power module cables. Reinstall the front top cover.